Circles like the soul are never ending and turn round and round without a stop. Hi and Hari Om children. Today's topic is construction of circles and concentric circles. Before getting into the topic, shall we start the session with prayer? Sit straight, close your eyes, take a deep breath, chant Om 3 times, followed by prayer.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्.
Here is a short introduction to circles. A circle is defined as a set of all such points in a given plane which lie at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane. This fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. Learning objectives of circles. The learning objective of the circle is to define and explain the concept of a circle, to identify the different parts of the circle, to explain the relation between the radius and the diameter of the circle, to teach students how to solve simple problems involving radius and diameter. The concentric circles. Concentric objects. In geometry, two or more objects are said to be concentric, coaxial or coaxial when they share the same center of axis. Circles, regular polygons and regular polyhedra and spheres may be concentric to one another, as may cylinders.
And its construction. Today, let's revise about circle and its construction. Look at these objects. They are all circular in shape. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at the same distance from the center. Now, let's learn some of the important terms related to the circle. Look at the figure. Here, point A is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. Line segment AB is a radius of the circle. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Line segment PQ is a diameter of the circle. Diameter is the segment that joins any 2 points on the circle, and it always passes through the center of the circle. Line segment MN is a chord of the circle. Chord is the segment that joins any 2 points on the circle. The diameter is the longest chord. The circumference of a circle is the perimeter of the circle. When we fold circle along the diameter, we get two half circles. They are called semicircles. And lastly, half a semicircle forms quarter of a circle. Let's now learn how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use a compass. A compass has two arms, a metal arm and a pencil arm connected by a hinge. Step 1. Keep the metal point of the compass firmly on a fixed point. Step 2. Stretch the arm of the compass that holds the pencil. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Hey, look, we have drawn a circle. Now, let's draw one more circle. But this time with a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Step 1. Use a ruler to set the distance between both the arms as 4.5 centimeters. Step 2. Place the point of the compass on a fixed point. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around to draw the circle. Do you know? 1. The diameter is the longest chord. 2. Diameter is equal to twice the radius. 3. A circle has many radii and diameters. Kids, wasn't it fun learning about the circle? Why don't you try?
Concentric circles. Draw a circle C1 with center O and radius equal to 2 centimeters. With the same center O and radius is equal to 3 centimeters, draw another circle C2. With the same center O and radius equal 5 centimeters, draw a third circle C3. We say that these circles C1, C2, C3 are said to be concentric. Concentric circles are circles having the same center but different radii. Here, in the given figure, we observe that the three circles C1, C2, and C3 have the same center O but different radii. OA not equal to OB is not equal to OC. Hence, the three circles are concentric.
Concentric circles are abundant in the real world, and there are many man-made examples and examples that appear in nature. The dartboard is a popular example featuring concentric circles. A small object dropped in a pond creates a ripple effect of concentric circles. The concentric circles in tree trunks are a good indication of the age of the tree. The target for archery consists of concentric circles. The beauty of many man-made designs is enhanced by the concentric circles that define them. Some shell designs are particularly attractive, with colourful circles appearing in perfect harmony. The designs of many flowers are very attractive and have multicoloured circles placed in strategic positions.
Concentric circles. Concentric circles are circles with the same center but different radii. Let us now draw 3 concentric circles with the radii 2, 3, and 4. Mark the center and draw a circle with 2 centimeters radius. Draw the second circle with the same center but a different radius of 3 centimeters. Draw the last circle again with the same center but a different radius of 4 centimeters. We have 3 concentric circles.
Number 197, concentric circles. These are concentric circles. There's one inside of the other one, and they share the same center point X right there. See that? Their radii are different, though. They're not equal. So where would the radius be on the smaller circle? It would be right here. It would be AX, right? And what would the radius measure for the bigger one? It would be CX. It's double almost, isn't it? So little radii, little circle, big radii, big circle. So if angle AXB is 90 degrees, then the angle CXB is also 90 degrees. See how they have the same angle measure? They're both 90 degrees, but they don't have the same linear measure or length. A to B here is shorter than C to D. So same measure, different linear length. The length of arc AB, right here, is 90 over 360. So it's 1/4 of the circle. Because the smaller circle has a smaller radius, it also has a smaller circumference. The measure going all the way around. And I'm not talking about degrees, I'm talking about like inches or millimeters or centimeters or feet, okay? A larger radius means a larger circle. So 1/4 the length of the smaller circle, 1/4 the length of this smaller circle going all the way around is not equal to 1/4 the length of the larger circle, okay? 1/4 of this larger circle could be, I don't know, 60 feet, and that could be 30 feet for all we know. So, XA isn't the same as XC. XA, right here, is not the same as XC, the longer radius, because points A and C have 2 different locations, and XA is shorter. XA and XC are the radii. That's the radius for the smaller circle, and this long one is the radius for the larger circle. So you can have the same angle measure, but arc AB is shorter than arc CD. See that? Those are concentric circles. They're on dartboards and archery targets, things like that. Concentric circles could also be when you drop a pebble into the water and you see the rings and waves of the water move out. That makes concentric circles also. So, I'll see you next video.
And that's the end of the video, children. Let's have a quick recap on what all we have discussed today. Definition. A circle is the set of points in a plane that are a given distance from a given point in the plane. The given point is the center of the circle and the given distance is the radius. 2 or more coplanar circles with the same center are called as concentric circles. 2 circles are congruent if they have congruent radii. A point is inside, in the interior of the circle. A circle if its distance from the center is less than the radius. A point is outside, in the exterior of a circle, if its distance from the center is greater than the radius. A point is on a circle, if its distance from the center of the point is equal to the radius. A chord of a circle is the segment joining any 2 points on the circle. A diameter of a circle is the chord that passes through the center of the circle.
Sit down on the ground comfortably, without moving your head and neck, Look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides, alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम